I'm Charlotte Atchley, editor of Baking and Snack magazine. Today, I'm speaking with Rowdy Brixey, president of Brixey Engineering and one of our Baking and Snack Pro Tips columnists. We're going to be discussing the challenges you're facing on your production room floors and the operational trends you need to be aware of as you attend IBIE 2022. Thanks for joining me today, Rowdy.
Good morning. Thanks, Charlotte. It's good to be here.
So, what are the biggest operational challenges bakers will be trying to solve as they attend IBIE later this year?
Well, that's a great question. I think there's a lot on their plate, and I'd sum it up probably by saying it's going to be to do more with less, less downtime, less energy, less waste, obviously less labor dependency, less variation, less investment. Less debugging during startups. I mean, I really think the word less is going to sum up a lot of what they're looking for to remove a lot of the pain points in their operation.
And so, what are the three operational trends bakers need to be aware of as they walk the show floor this year?
Well, if the pandemic has taught us anything, it's we may have to depend on remote communications, remote assistance and support from the outside. So I really think you'll see manufacturers have invested a lot in AI or Internet of Things, making the equipment smarter, more prepared to communicate out from a diagnostic standpoint. But I also think you'll see built better maintenance, better sanitation capabilities within the machine. Now, those may be features you layer on or add on the menu when you purchase, but I absolutely think you're going to see a lot more related to things we learned because of the pandemic and the lack of access to people coming in our facilities.
With that being said, what technologies and innovations do you expect will be creating the biggest buzz at the show?
Well, it's been 3 years since the last IBIE, and a wise man, that CEO of a large baking company, once said, we need to try every new concept that we see here, at least at one location, because you really can't wait to hear through the grapevine of your competition enjoying the benefits of something we walked right past. So I think people will be on the lookout for the next great thing, the better mousetrap. But there'll also be a lot going on with IBIE Educate. Proud to say I'll be doing a couple papers there. So the educational piece, people wanting to learn more, so they'll specifically sign up for the type of classes or education that they can benefit from the most in their facility. Robotics are going to be a big buzzword, I think, because again, it directly affects the labor dependency, allows you to free up associates for other roles within the facility. If nothing else, it helps you build bench. Remote support, as I already mentioned, AI and Internet of Things. All of those, I think, will just see the next phase. It's kind of like computers, right? We keep buying new computers because the capabilities of the computers change. So you may hear the same name of a component or a device, but it's going to have new features and new capabilities that we haven't yet seen in some of the assets we currently have in our plants.
Well, thank you again, Rowdy, for this great conversation and sharing your insights as we get ready to go to IBIE in September.
Well, again, Charlotte, thanks for having me, and I'll see you September 17th in Las Vegas.